the owner, he does the most amazing food ever in Pattaya. Really? This is the #1 restaurant in Pattaya. But if you're poor, you can't come. There's McDonald's down the road.
I brought $100. That should cover pretty much everything.
So we're here for our Thanksgiving dinner with Tom, Thailand Digital Nomad, and I'm sure we're gonna have a blast. One of the early arrivals is Dave. Got to love Thailand. He actually drugged me down here in the boat with him, or the lightning, or whatever the hell we rode in. And Tom, I haven't seen Tom since I think it was like January or something.
Yeah, nomad shooters in Thailand.
How you doing?
You can sit here, or you can sit in there.
Jim, how you doing?
Good, Dave. Good.
How are things going? How's the wife?
I got a little cold.
A table here. We've got a table in there.
So this is Jim from
So you
Jim
can
and
choose
Mel.
me to sit. So
I didn't know you were coming.
Yeah. Yeah.
I've only seen you because I
She's
know.
in Bangkok or something.
She is, yeah. She got family in from Norway.
Gary, nice to see you again.
This is
How is it out there?
Gary.
Gary. Hey, Gary. How you doing? Good. How are you? Good to see you.
So how long you guys been here?
The group is growing much bigger now. We got Rick and Mark, right? And then Jim on the end from Jam and Meow and Jim. Then Tom, Gary. Did you get his name? Did you get his name? David? And Dave.
Subscribe to Time to Get Going.
Nice to meet you in person, Tim.
Hey, Bob. Yep.
And Saturday morning I got to drive to Uba with the dining table.
How's your recovery?
Pretty good, yeah. I'm cutting trees and hacking brush. Got to get a look at the food. Oh, looking good.
Hello, everyone.
Dallas Cowboys.
Peaky Blinders.
These are just the hors d'oeuvres that we've been served for our lunch. And we got lots of hors d'oeuvres for sure. The turkey dinner is going to be fresh carved on a carving tray here soon. We got lots of delicious looking Thanksgiving meal here. We got prime ribs, turkey, mashed potatoes, sweet potatoes, green beans. Got a big herd of people going through. Got to get everybody in here. I haven't got everybody.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Yes, it is. Great day. Uh-oh. Crazy gimbal. They're crazy, aren't they?
I'm just trying to use this.
All right. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Nice to see you all here.